Hello and welcome to a very package opening edition of Mark Fixes Stuff.
Mark Fixes Stuff.
For some reason, opening packages are my most popular videos, and I know this because it's all I've pretty much done recently due to the move that you'll see about in my channel update. So let's use the knife. I've actually got a knife, although it's running out. And let's open this sucker up. Very, very well wrapped, Ian. Very well wrapped, sir. Well played, sir. Well played. Right, this is actually in a traditional holder, which would probably cost me loads of money if I went and bought one. Well happy. Always grateful for donations to the channel. As I said in my very, very recent channel update video, not been fixing so much stuff because we've been moving, hence the new location, if you haven't seen that video. But getting back on it now. Actually having quite a bit of work done in the house, so I'll eventually end up in another location, or I may even stay here, which is all my idea and nothing to do with my wife not wanting my retro stuff down in the newly extended lounge. She's behind me, isn't she? No, anyway. Right, so what have we got here? Answers on the back of a postcard. It's a bloody great big box of discs. Okay, should I go through some of these? I think it's probably a good idea. Oh, very well packed, sir. Okay. Oh goodness me, there's lots of discs here. I'm going to pop them on the desk, and I think what we'll probably do is just have a quick look through. I'm going to shout them out, if that's okay. Right, Artillerist 2, Dynamite Warriors, Settlers 3, Zombies 2, Flaming Engines, Cokeman Smurf Animations, Space Invaders, Speedball Eliminate. Oh God, there's loads. The Wall by Pink Floyd. What the hell? Pipe Mania. Wow, this is awesome. Lots and lots and lots of cheeky little backup copies. This is going to make for a very, very, very boring video for people to watch. So, some loads. Thank you, Ian. This is very, very kind of you. Magic Pocket. I love that game. Wow, there's a lot of illegal software here, which I will obviously not be using because I don't have the originals of those. So I'll just fire up the massive degaussing machine that I have in the workshop and eradicate all of the information on the discs, rendering them all as blank. And I definitely won't play this Amiga version of Jet Set Willy 2 and Manic Miner, which I definitely won't be reviewing in a future video when I get my Amiga working. Ian, thank you very much, dude. You rock. I've got to go now, and I don't mean leave the house, I mean I've actually got to go to the toilet. So this is Mark from Mark Fixes Stuff, signing out and saying subscribe to get your fix. I'll see you soon, dudes. Rock on.